If your data center makes use of Linux, you are probably comfortable with the command line. But even with any level of comfort, there are times when you don't want to either have to type out certain long and/or complicated commands, or you simply can't always remember every switch and option for a command. When that's the case, you might make use of aliases. Aliases are an easy way to create a shortcut for a Linux command. Using the .bashrc file, you can place as many aliases as you need in order to make your Linux administration a bit easier. If you're not one to manually edit that .bashrc file, there's an incredibly handy tool you can install that includes both a command line and a GUI method for making the creation of aliases very easy. That tool is called Addalias, and is a basic command line GUI tool that does one thing and does it very well. With Addalias, you no longer have to manually create or edit your aliases via the terminal window. Let's install and use Addalias. Before we can install the Addalias tool, we must first take care of a couple of dependencies. Open up a terminal window on your Linux machine and issue the following commands: sudo apt update, sudo apt install python-minimal, sudo apt install python-qt4. With the dependencies out of the way, you can now install Addalias with the following steps. Back at the terminal window, issue the command wget space https://giithub.com/isamert/archive/master.zip. Unzip that newly downloaded file with the command unzip space master.zip. Change into the newly created folder with the command cd addalias-master/src. Install with the command python space addalias.py space -- install. Once the installation is finished, close the terminal window or log out if this is a GUI-less server. To use the command line version, open a new terminal window or log back into your GUI-less server. The command structure for adding an alias with this tool is addalias space alias space command, where alias is the name of the alias and command is the actual command to be run. Open the GUI from the terminal window by issuing the command alias space -GUI. Type the alias you want to add in the alias text area, and then type the command to be run in the command text area. Click OK, and your alias is added. I get it. Aliases are actually not that hard to create. However, there are those who'd rather not directly modify such configuration files and/or those who just prefer a GUI tool whenever it's available. Either way, if you want to take advantage of aliases on your data center Linux servers, the Addalias tool makes this easy task even easier.